Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about objects and tags. Let's see one by one and please be available from start to end of this tutorial. First one is objects. Salesforce provides a set of ready-made object. Object representable in database.com and user can able to manage the record inside the objects. There are two types of objects in Salesforce. First one is standard object and second one is custom object. Standard object is the ready-made object which is provided by the Salesforce. For example, go to setup. After that, click here object manager. See here account, active scratch organization, activity, alternative payment method. These are the standard object which is provided by the Salesforce. And second one is the custom object which is created by the users. Let's see how to create custom object. Open your Salesforce account. After that, go to setup and after that click here object manager and after that click here create and here custom object. Right here label of the object. I'm right here project roller label. I'm right projects. After that enter here record name label and format. Click here allow reports, allow activity, track field history, allow in chatter group, allow searches. After that save. Here custom object is successfully created. Go to object manager and write here object name project. See here custom object is successfully created. In this way we can create custom object in Salesforce. Next one is next topic is tabs. Basically, tab provides a set of graphical user interfaces. By using tabs, we can insert, update, delete, view, and undelete the record inside the object. For each object, Salesforce provides the separate tabs. Object can have only one tab. After that, types of tabs. Open your Salesforce account, go to setup, in quick find, type here tabs, open tabs. Here, custom object tabs, web tab, Visualforce tabs, lightning component tabs, and lightning page tabs. These are the types of the tabs in Salesforce. Custom object tabs used to manage the records exist inside the object. Web tabs. Web tabs used to redirect the user to specified URL. After that, Visualforce tabs used to redirect the user to specified Visualforce page. And another is Lightning page tabs used to redirect the user to specified Lightning page. And Lightning component tab used to redirect the user to specified component. For creating a new tab, simply click here, New, select Object and select here Project, select Type Style. After that, click here Next and Save. Tab 6 successfully created projects. In this way, we can create the tabs in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.